kids. Today we are going to make an animal puzzle. It's called the Safari Animal Puzzle. First, let's open the box. Wow, so many puzzle pieces. Let's start by placing all the pieces face up so they are easy to find. We will begin by making a zebra. First, let's find all the pieces for the zebra. Look for the pieces with stripes. Now let's put them together. Yay, we made the zebra. Look, we also have a spider. Next, let's complete the flamingo. The flamingo is ready. Where are the pieces for the baby cheetah and the mummy cheetah? There they are. Mummy cheetah is looking at baby cheetah, and baby cheetah is playing with a butterfly. We also have a scorpion here. What's next? A rhino. There you go. Look, some birds are sitting on the rhino and enjoying the ride. The next animals in our puzzle are an elephant and a baby elephant. Let's find their pieces first and join them together. They are pink in color. First, we put the elephant's trunk in place. Now let's look for a piece that looks like an ear and place it next to the other earpiece. Next, we complete the baby elephant. Look for a piece of pink color on it. Are the elephant, baby elephant, and a bat ready? Yes, they are. We discovered a turtle as well. Now let's find the missing piece for the ostrich. Here you go. Next, we will make a lion. Here are the puzzle pieces to finish the lion. Can you spot the two meerkats? Can you see the lion's feet? Where is the piece for the snake? We found it. Wow, the snake and lion are ready. And here are the meerkats. Now let's finish the crocodile. We will look for blue puzzle pieces. Can you see a frog? Now, we are completing the hippo. We will look for purple-colored pieces and those with eyes on them. Time to find the piece for the ibis. Here it is. Let's recap. We made a hippo and an ibis just now. Look, we have some coconuts here and some birds flying in the sky. And finally, we have a giraffe and a robin. Hooray! We have completed our safari animal puzzle. Let's take a closer look and repeat their names. Robin, giraffe, lion, meerkats, crocodile, snake, turtle, ibis, hippo, baby hippo, scorpion, cheetah, butterfly, baby cheetah, baby elephant, elephant, bat, meerkat, rhino, birds, zebra, meerkat, spider, flamingo, coconut tree, and birds flying in the sky.